Goes, open man is Beverly in the corner, and he can't miss it. Oh, good play by Damian Jones. Give him the 14. Logo three for LeBron. A logo three, and it didn't draw iron.
He didn't even draw the net. It was so short.
Yeah, he was a little anxious that time. Game. Couple of Oakland guys going at each other. And in it goes with 6. Here goes Jerami Grant all the way, scores! It was Jerami Grant.
And I said make Jerami Grant be the hero, and he did just that.
And 2-point game. Reeves looking, finds LeBron. LeBron to tie the game. And the Lakers are 0-3 to start the year and come up short against the Portland Trail Blazers.
Well, what they